now, let's welcome the brains behind this company, CEO TECNO, Mr. Kelvin Zeng, to say a few words.
Hi, welcome all of you. How are you? First of all my respected guests and all of my media friends, of partners, so really welcome to be this event. Okay. So first of all, I'm very happy that we can gathering together in Europe to celebrate the success of TECNO in 2023. Secondly, I also really welcome all of the TECNO partners to attend this launch conference. This is actually a great memory for our brand, for TECNO, for this brand. I think every launch event is a very important moment. That is the moment for us to share our latest technology and to show what we have promised to the market. So today is the day. Globally speaking, all of us, we know this era actually is very difficult and is full with change and challenge. But with the core value of TECNO, stop at nothing, we always try to achieve more globally. So according to the latest financial report from Transsion Group, for 2023, we have achieved the net profit around above 5.5 billion RMB, so which is 1.3 times of last year. With all of the experience of those COVID and the global inflations and all of those economic crises, the net income and the net profit, actually we have reached the new high record. So that's what we are saying. We stop at nothing, even though the time is so tough. But we stop at nothing. That is our value. So we always achieve more. And actually, in the day that we departure from Lahore, I just received the news that the latest data of IDC shows TECNO, we have reached, Transsion have reached the top 4 for the shipment in the global mobile industry. So, last year we are top 5. So this year we are top 3. Top 4. So I'm really glad for this news. Back to Pakistan, back to Pakistan 2023. I think we know how hard it is with the very unstable politics and very high inflations which will happen in Pakistan. So it's really very suffering for the whole mobile industry. So I think all of us will remember that. But even with this, a lot of challenges, we have tried to put a lot of effort to make sure that TECNO wouldn't default from this market. So we have spent a lot of energy. Even though it's so tough, we also have invested a lot, as we show in this video. So today we are so proudly to announce that the achievement that we have got in 2023. We have increased more than 2 million smartphone users with the whole year. Okay, and then up to now in Pakistan, TECNO users have reached more than 8.7 million smartphone users. So I believe that is a great number in Pakistan. And not only for the quantity, actually, we also have changed a lot in terms of the TECNO ASP. So I think for the people who attend here, I think you remember when we begin TECNO, what is the selling price of TECNO? Mostly is below 20,000, around 15,000 PKR. But nowadays, we are proudly to announce that the ASP of TECNO in 2023 is more than 35,000 PKR. So that is about the ASP. And in terms of the industry share, we are already number 2. Okay. So in this special moment, I really appreciate the whole TECNO team behind TECNO. So because of your hard work, because of your insist that we have got this great success. Of course, I also really appreciate all of the people who attend here. Because of your cooperation and your support, we never stop at nothing. TECNO brand, what is our brand mission or vision? That we hope that we can to become the most admired premier brand of smart devices among the young at heart consumers globally. We try to provide the high technology and those latest technology to the consumers with more affordable price. We are going to display, we are going to show the latest technology, the latest product, which is Spark 20 Pro Plus. I think that is exactly explaining for our vision that provide the latest technology to the consumers with more affordable price. In Pakistan, I think the market is more and more, the competition is more and more high, is more and more fierce. But we believe the quality and the innovation is the key success, is the key factor of the success. We will continually invest more resource and invest more in terms of the marketing to bring more new product and bring more surprise and convenient to the consumers. In the same time, I really understand with the brand expand. In this process, I cannot leave off the people who present here. So here, I really appreciate from my heart that of the partners who have been work along with TECNO all the way. Because of your support, that today we can get this new chapter of TECNO. Finally, once again, thanks for all of the people who attend this conference. I believe all of you are our important bridge to express this new information, new technology to the market. And also, I think all of you are my story create of TECNO stories in Pakistan. So I hope today's conference can provide more strong weapon, and also I hope it can provide more insight and information for all of you. So let's hand in hand to create the better future. Stop on nothing. Thank you.